we're going to do this morning is we're going to make electric conduits. We bought these on Amazon. They're a little bit expensive. I think we paid about $35 for 6 of them, which you get about 5-6 foot out of them. What we're going to do is take one of these PVC pipes. They're only $7 for 10 foot. We are going to cut a small piece out of this pipe and then warm it up and send it through our mold. Which will give us a little bit bigger and a better shape that will fit into our ambulance. So there's the excess cut out. We're going to warm this up and stick it through the mold.